I'm so sorry to give you the bad news, but it's not subscribers or views that actually matter on YouTube. Then what is it? Watch this video fully and I'll tell you what it is that you need to focus on when launching your YouTube channel. What's up everyone, I'm so happy to see you here. For those of you who are new, my name is Mani Karthik and I'm a blogger and entrepreneur from India. I used to work in the US and Middle East for about 10 years, but I got bored and decided to return back to India to pursue my passion in blogging. On this channel, I share everything that I've learned that will make you a smarter, richer and a happier person. I hope you find the video useful and subscribe to my channel so that I can share more awesome videos with you. But don't do it now, watch the entire video and decide for yourself. Alright, so let me ask you this. What do young YouTubers need to grow their channels? Most of you will say subscribers and views because that's what everyone is asking for, right? From the top YouTuber to the new kid on the block. But does it really help you grow your channel? Let's see. So the other day, someone invited me to join a group on Facebook. It was a group for young YouTubers where if you shared your channel URL, others in the group will subscribe to yours. Sort of I scratch your back, you scratch mine kind of an exchange. And many young YouTubers were making use of it. They would post their channel URL and others would go on and subscribe to them. Some folks would even blatantly ask for subscribers. Like, I need 500 more subscribers. Who is online? Please come to my channel and hit the subscribe button. Now, you might have seen these groups on Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. Basically, these are groups that are supposed to help you grow your channel. But essentially, they might actually be hurting you. Here's why. Many people think that the more number of subscribers you have on YouTube, the more popular you become. Well, it might sound to be true, but it is actually not. Just purely adding on subscribers does not guarantee you the popularity you need on YouTube. For example, if I was a celebrity, let's say, and I launched a YouTube channel, I have maybe just one video, but I post about my channel on Facebook group or Instagram, and what happens? Everybody starts subscribing to you just because you shared the link. Before you know, you will have thousands of subscribers. But the problem happens when you post your next video. Unless you have an active YouTube account and have been posting videos regularly, all those subscribers are not going to convert to views. Even if they did, there's another catch. Watch time. Watch time is essentially the number of hours your videos are being watched on YouTube. Unless you produce engaging and interesting content, no matter how many subscribers you have, you are not going to get the watch time you need. More watch time on your videos essentially means that you have great quality videos. And YouTube algorithms would possibly promote your next videos to folks who actually watched your videos in the past. So if you had 10,000 subscribers and 3 videos and 0 watch time, all those 10,000 subscribers are not going to know or possibly watch your next video. This is the truth. But let's say if you have only 100 subscribers and all of them are glued to your videos, thereby giving you more watch time, only tells YouTube and its algorithms that your content is awesome. So this is what many people miss out. They go for the number game and think that having a lot of subscribers means everything. Of course, it feels good to have subscribers. It tells how popular you are as well. But without content and watch time, it is meaningless. So the advice, if I could possibly do that, for young YouTubers like you wanting to beef up that subscriber number is to hold on. Take a deep breath and relax. Focus on your content, focus on your consistency and goodwill. Even if you just have 100 subscribers, all of them should love your content. Going around on Facebook and WhatsApp groups asking others to subscribe to your channel is just a waste of time actually. None of those people are actually going to watch your videos. They subscribe to your channel thinking that you will subscribe to theirs and that is all. They are not interested in your content. They won't give you the watch time you need. So in the hurry to increase subscribers, what you might actually be doing is hurting your channel by making non-interested people forcefully subscribe to your channel. Instead, focus on your target audience and give them what they want. They will give you the watch time and love your videos, making your channel awesome. So there you have it, folks. Don't run around begging for subscribers. It is okay. The subscribers and the numbers will come. Just focus on your content and start building slowly. Subscribers will come in and surprise you once you keep producing consistent videos. I hope this video was useful. Make sure you check out my videos on how to start blogging and YouTubing and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them in my next video. This is Mani Karthik signing off. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure you check out my other channels.